If you want to make money with gig apps, but you don't want to deliver food, this is the video for you. I tested gig apps where you just walk in the stores, do some tasks, walk out, and get paid. No delivering food, no waiting for orders, no stress. This video is for anyone who wants to make a little bit of extra money, whether you do side hustles full time like me, or you just want to do a couple gigs here and there, make a couple of extra dollars. I've done thousands of these gigs across multiple apps, and the first one that I'm going to talk about is one that I do every day. I did 9 of these today. I did about a dozen yesterday, and I've made over $8,500 with it. An example of a gig that you're going to do is this one over here, these 7-Eleven cooler audits. And what's cool is when these drop, they'll drop at like every 7-Eleven. So you could literally do 10 or 20 of these in a day. They range from $3 all the way up to like $20. Most of them will be between $3 and $5. So for this one, I just had to go to 7-Eleven, walk in, take an overview picture of the refrigerators, count how many refrigerators there were with alcohol, count how many they had with like energy drinks, and then open each door, take a picture of the cooler. Literally took about 5 minutes to do it, and I hit like almost every 7-Eleven within like a 2 or 3 mile radius. So you can make a lot of money without driving that much because you're not getting paid for driving. Yeah, you have to go to the stores, but a lot of times the stores will drop in clusters. You'll see where it says 1 means there's 1 gig. If there's like a 5 or a 3 on a certain pin, that means there's multiple gigs there. And then they're going to vary. So there's some of the 7-Eleven ones over there. Also, you could look at jobs. So this is going to be a little bit easier to see. Most of them are going to be the shelfogram, shelf view. This is what I would recommend starting with. And I would do them at smaller stores to start out with, like maybe like Trader Joe's would be good. Walmart may be a little bit difficult. Costco, they're going to have a lot of chips and pretzels. They're all pretty good. You could make about $25, $30 an hour, especially like this where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gigs at the one Costco. A lot of times there'll be over 10 gigs at a Costco or a Sam's Club. So you could really stack it up without driving too far. The pros of this app is it pays in cash. It'll pay a direct deposit into your bank account. I just did a payment today, but you hit cash out. They have to get approved by real people, so when you do them, they'll be in review. A lot of times they'll be approved the same day, and then you could cash out the same day. It just depends on your bank. It may take a couple of business days for it to be in your bank account. Downside is a lot of the gigs will be $3. Some of them are even $2. If you stack it with the other apps that I'm talking about and stack it with apps that you're already doing, like maybe Instacart, then you could really add up. But for the most part, they're going to be $3. Some of them will be like $6. Some of them will be $8. You could still make a lot of money in a short period of time. But the next app that I'm going to talk about pays a lot more. Next app is going to be the Merchandiser app. Now, this app used to be an app called Easy Shift, and that's how I got started in this type of work about 10 years ago. And there was gigs every day. It was great. I made like $16,000 with that app. But then it merged with survey.com. Now it's a completely different app. So if we look at our map view, one thing that you'll see is these ones pay a lot more. So you can make a lot of money in a shorter amount of time. But these ones are going to be a little more involved. With Field Agent, you don't have to talk to anyone. In this one, a lot of them you do. So I'll click on one for example. So this one you have to do marketing material. So it pays $14. The clock means it's a recurring one. So you could do this every month or every week, depending on how often it comes around. The thing is, you have to get a shipment. So you have to request this. And then once you request it, it's going to either get approved or not approved. And then you get approved, and then they're going to ship you something like marketing materials, signs, magnets, hooks, stuff like that. And then you have to go to the store and set it up. So you're going to have to deal with the staff. You're going to have to coordinate with them. You can make a lot more money with this app, but you're going to have to talk to people. It's going to be more like a regular job. So the upside for this app is there's going to be a lot more gigs available, and they're going to pay a lot more. But the downside is you're going to have to do a lot more work. You're going to have a lot more responsibilities, like wearing appropriate attire and talking to the staff. So I started doing a couple of these, but I really like Field Agent and the other apps that I'm going to talk about. So the next app is going to be Observa. This one pays a lot more than Field Agent, and most of them are pretty much the same. So like this Spice Rack audit, $8. is pretty much the same thing that you would have to do for a $3 gig on Field Agent, but it pays more. They also have shelf management and merchandising. But when you start with this, I would recommend just doing the audits and the display audits. These ones are just pictures. You just have to take a picture of like the liquor displays, the liquor aisle, stuff like that, or in this case, the spice rack. I've done a lot of these ones. It's worth having the app, but don't expect there to be gigs every day. Field Agent, Merchandiser, there'll be gigs every day. And the other app that I'm going to talk about will have gigs every day. But this one, there will be weeks and weeks where there won't be any. But when they drop, they'll be like at every store and there'll be a lot of them. So definitely check out the Observa app. Next app that I want to talk about is Mobee. I feel like this one is really underrated. All the other apps are going to pay you cash, either direct deposit or PayPal. This one pays in gift cards. This is why I think a lot of people skip this one, but I think it's definitely worth it because the gift cards that they offer are places that you're definitely going to go to eventually. Dunkin' Donuts, Home Depot, Target, and you could even do a Visa gift card. I usually just cash out the Target one, and my wife is good at spending those. And then if you look at the map here, you'll see gigs like this. Baby Mission, it's going to pay about the same, maybe a little bit more than Field Agent, and there's going to be gigs every day. It's going to give you some information when you click on the gig, tell you if it's going to be beginner or expert, tells you how many photos or how many questions. So 9 photos, 22 to 34 questions. This will probably take about 5 minutes. Haven't done this one yet, but this one is a new one that dropped recently. So Walmart, and then a lot of times it'll be at every Walmart, at every supermarket, every CVS, every Walgreens. So the Mobee app is great. I've done a lot of these ones. This is my profile. I could cash out $28 worth of gift cards. And this is one that you could actually do, get it approved on the same day, and then cash out your gift card the same day. Sometimes it takes a couple of days to get approved, but once you have the points, you just go to rewards, and then you could cash out whatever rewards you want to cash out. And if you want to see my full review and tutorial on the Mobee Side Hustle app, check out this video over here.